Hey, today we're gonna take a look at this, the umarex HDX 68 40 joules. I have bought this in Denmark. I am from Denmark and this is illegal 40 joules in Denmark. We got a nice box. If you know the umarex, it's a standard box, and I have already unpacked it because I have used it for 2 years, and here's the gun. This is how it's looking today. All the parts, extra parts, we're gonna go into another day, but this one is, I have added this one, and I added the laser and the light and this flash hider and this one. Normally there's a plastic sight on and another flash hider, a very heavy one. So I have bought this one. And today we're going to talk about the all-over function of this gun. I have been using this one for 2 years, and I think it's brilliant. It's very, very sturdy, very stable gun. If you rack and shack it, as you should, it's function super well. No flaws in that. I can really pump and shoot and have fun in the garden. This is definitely a toy for the boy and the girl and all of us. If you like shotguns, you like the rack and shack, oh, this is the gun for you. You can use 88 grams CO2, and you can use 12 grams in special tubes. I will show you another time. But yeah, this is all metal, plastic, or polymer stock, plastic polymer, and inside is metal barrel. This handle is M4, but you cannot change it because these two parts is stuck together. You cannot change the handle. I have bought a pistol grip. I cannot use it, but the grip on this one is not very thick. It's very, very slim and very nice in the hand. I really like it. One of the best handles on a shotgun, a toy like this. I have put on a white rim because, yeah, it looks cool, I think. And a little flashlight and a flash hider, and yeah, a red dot. I have bought this for my own money. This is a non-sponsored video. I will shoot this one in 30 joules, and I will shoot it with a 2 CO2 and chrono it and show you how it works in another video and talk about the parts. And when I'm finished with that, I'm gonna call out to Florence from Home Defense 24 to get some tuning parts for it so I can tune it. You can put a tank on it here. I got a tank I can put on, so I can show you. You can use the 88 grams and the 212 in a tank, and a cable to a tank as well. But Florence got some very nice tuning parts. I think will fit good in for this next project, and this is the next project, the next tuning project. And after we have tuned it, we're gonna chrono it, and after that I'm gonna paint this one. And I do not know what color I will paint them in yet. So if you got a theme or suggestion I should make the colors in, let me hear in the comments. Maybe post-apocalypse or Star Wars theme or something else. So yeah, that's all for now. Next time we're gonna shoot it. Check out my other videos. I hope you give it a like if you like it, or leave a comment if you want something more or something. Yeah, just leave me a comment. That's all for now. Bye bye from Denmark.